Hi, today I'll show you how to make crispy Parmesan zucchini and potato muffins, an easy, comforting, and convenient recipe. These savory muffins are packed with flavor and are perfect as a side dish, a light snack, or even as part of breakfast. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients and measurements in the description below. If you enjoy simple, delicious recipes made from wholesome ingredients, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support my work. Now, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need: first, start with the zucchini. Lightly peel them if you'd like, then grate them using a coarse grater. Sprinkle the grated zucchini with a pinch of salt. This helps release moisture more quickly. Next, peel the potato, rinse it, and grate it as well. Combine the grated zucchini and potato in a bowl and let them rest for about 10 minutes. While the vegetables are resting, grate the Parmesan cheese and set it aside. After 10 minutes, transfer the grated vegetables into a cheesecloth or clean kitchen towel. Squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This step is very important. Removing moisture is what gives the muffins their perfect crispy texture. Discard the liquid and return the squeezed vegetables back to the mixing bowl. Now add 1/2 cup flour, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1/4 tablespoon paprika, 1/2 tablespoon onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon garlic powder. Crack in 2 eggs. Add crushed black pepper, the grated Parmesan cheese, and mix everything together until well combined. Spray a muffin tin generously with cooking spray. Spoon the mixture into the muffin cups, filling each one about 3/4 full. Place the tin into a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes. While they bake, chop about 1/4 cup of scallions. After 20 minutes, remove the muffin tin from the oven. Top the muffins with chopped scallions and a little extra Parmesan cheese. Return them to the oven for another 5 minutes until golden and crisp. Once ready, remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool for about 5 minutes. Serve them warm as a side dish with a hearty soup or a fresh salad. They're also delicious with sour cream, Greek yogurt, or a garlic dip, like the one I made in my last video. Or pair them with scrambled eggs for an easy breakfast. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you served these muffins. See you in the next video. Bye!